Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss properties of triangles, first exercise problems. Let us have a discussion. The first question. Prove that b minus a into cos c plus c into cos b minus cos a equal to c into sin of a minus b by 2 into cosecant of a plus b by 2. So now consider LHS. In this LHS, we have b minus a into cos c plus c into cos b minus cos a. Now, actual multiplication here you have to do that. B into cos c minus a into cos c plus c into cos b minus c into cos a. After that, b cos c and c cos b, these two. Here, these two, and minus take common from these two and write it. So, b cos c plus c cos b minus a cos c plus c cos a. From projection rules, the first bracket value is equal to small a minus second bracket value is equal to small b. From projection rules. Again, by using sign rules, small a equal to 2r sin a minus b equal to 2r sin b, and take common 2r and it will become sin a minus sin b. So it is in the form of sin c minus sin d. You have to apply sin c minus sin d formula. So 2r into 2 cos c plus d by 2, that means 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. After that, in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c equal to 180. So, sin cos of a plus b by 2, we can write it as, here 2r into 2 is 4r. After that, sin of a minus b by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2, we can write it as sin c by 2. So how it is? Here I will explain that. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 only, no? In triangle ABC. So I want a plus b by 2. So a plus b equal to 180 minus c. Dividing on both sides by 2. It will becomes 180 by 2 minus c by 2. So take cos on both sides. Cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos of 180 by 2 means 90. 90 minus c by 2. So cos of 90 minus c by 2 is sin c by 2. So now in place of cos of a plus b by 2, you have to write sin c by 2. Therefore cos of a plus b by 2 value is sin c by 2. After reaching of this step, what we have to do? So again sin c by 2 is there, no? So 4r can be written as 2r into 2 into, so it will be 4r. First you write sin c by 2 multiplying and dividing by cos c by 2, because to get the RHS in c is there, no? So multiplying and dividing by cos c by 2. Here multiplying by cos c by 2, dividing by cos c by 2. After that, rest of the term, what is the remaining here? Sin of a minus b by 2 is the remaining. That we have to write it like this. So now 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2 is the formula for sin c. So which is equal to 2, or this numerator bracket value is sin c into sin of a minus b by 2 divided by cos c by 2. Now 2r sin c, 2r sin c from sine rule, which is equal to small c into sin of a minus b by 2, sin of a minus b by 2 by cos c by 2. Cos c by 2 equal to, here from this minus c by 2 we can take this side, a plus b we can take this side. Again from here same rule, c by 2 equal to, from this minus c by 2 we can take this side, a plus b by 2 we can take this side. So 180 by 2 means 90 minus a plus b by 2. So I want cos c by 2. So taking cos on both sides, cos c by 2 is equal to cos of 90 minus a plus b by 2. What is cos of 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So sin of a plus b by 2. So wherever cos c by 2 is there, you have to write sin of a plus b by 2. So c into sin of a minus b by 2 divided by cos c by 2 is sin of a plus b by 2. But they are asking to prove it is cosecant of a plus b by 2, no? So 1 by sin of a plus b by 2 is cosecant of a plus b by 2, which is equal to c into sin of a minus b by 2 into the reciprocal of sin is cosecant of a plus b by 2, which is required RHS. C into sin of a minus b by 2. Here cos c by 2 is sin of a plus b by 2. Sorry. From here, after that reciprocal of sin of a plus b by 2 is cosecant of a plus b by 2. So c into sin of a minus b by 2 into cosecant of a plus b by 2, which is required RHS. Yeah, next question. If b plus c equal to 3a, then find the value of cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Here one value and condition is there, b plus c equal to 3a. So we know that, or we have a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, or 2s equal to a plus b plus c. In place of b plus c, since b plus c is equal to 3a is given. So in place of b plus c, you have to replace with 3a. 2s equal to a plus 3a, which is equal to 2s equal to 4a. So from this, s is equal to 2a. So dividing on both sides by 2, you will get s is equal to 2a. After getting up this one, consider LHS. They are asking to calculate this value now. So consider cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. The value of cot b by 2 is square root of s into s minus b divided by s minus a into s minus c. Similarly, square root of cot c by 2. So s into s minus c divided by rest of the terms, s minus a into s minus b. Which is equal to root a into root b form now. So root of ab. Square root of root a into root b now. S into s minus b. S into s minus c divided by s minus a into s minus a whole square into s minus b into s minus c. You can cancel it, s minus c, s minus c, s minus b, which is equal to square root of s into s is s square divided by s minus a whole square. So we can write it as square root of s by s minus a whole square, and root and square will be cancelled. we will get s by s minus a. We know the value of s now here. S is equal to 2a. So 2a divided by 2a minus a, which is equal to 2a divided by a get cancelled, which is equal to 2. Therefore, cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 equal to 2. When b plus c is equal to 3a in the triangle ABC. The next question. Express a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 in terms of s of s a b c. So first we have to know the formula for sin c by 2 and sin a by 2. Half angle formula we discussed in the previous classes. Once you go through that videos, I think the third video or fourth video in our properties of triangles. Once you go through, sin c by 2 is root s minus a into s minus b divided by ab. Sin a by 2 is square root of s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. These are the formulas for sin a by 2. So now consider LHS. They are asking to prove express the value of no. So not compulsory consider. This you take that consider the value a into sin square c by 2 plus c into sin square a by 2, which is equal to small a into sin c by 2 half angle formula whole square root of sin c by 2 means s minus a into, whenever c is there, no, other than c it will come, s minus a into s minus b divided by ab whole square. This is sin square c by 2 plus c into square root of s minus sin square a by 2 means here it will become s minus b into s minus c divided by bc whole square. Now root square cancel. It will becomes a into s minus a into s minus b divided by ab plus c into s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. So now here a get cancelled, here c get cancelled. Now actual multiplication, here b solution is there, no? So we can take as LCM. B is the LCM. S into s minus b. So s square minus s into a plus b plus ab plus similarly we can write as s square minus s into b plus c plus bc. Now s square plus s square, 2s square. From these two minus if we take common, a plus b, b plus c. So a plus b plus b plus c plus ab plus bc divided by b. Again a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, no? So we can write it as 2s square minus s into, in place of a plus b plus c, you have to write 2s plus b remaining plus ab plus bc divided by b. So which is equal to 2s square minus 2s square minus sb plus ab plus bc divided by b. So minus 2s square plus 2s square get cancelled. The remaining terms a plus b, b plus c. So b take common from these two. So b into a plus c minus sb divided by b. Again b take common from these two. So b into a plus c minus s divided by b. Now ABC in terms of s is there already, but still it is, which is equal to a plus c minus yes. Now what I am doing is, here b is not there, no? We can add and subtract plus b, a plus c. Here I am adding plus b and subtracting minus b and minus c. A plus b plus c is equal to what? 2s. 2s minus b minus s. 2s minus s is s. So s minus b. So till here, in terms of s, a, b, c is there. After that, we simplified more. So the value of a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 equal to s minus b. We got it. The next question. Prove that cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 equal to s square by delta. So if you thorough the formulas, you are able to do that easily. Consider LHS. Cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. So now substitute the respective formulas. We know that cot a by 2 is delta by s minus b into s minus c other than a. Similarly, you can write it as cot b by 2 is delta by s minus a into s minus c plus cot c by 2 is delta by s minus a into s minus b. So if you take out LCM, from every term delta you can take common, and then LCM is s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So s minus b, s minus c get cancelled here. So remaining is s minus a plus s minus a, s minus c get cancelled. So s minus b plus s minus a, s minus b cancel, s minus c. So in the numerator, delta into s plus s is 3s and minus of a plus b plus c whole divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. We know that in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. So delta into 3s minus 2s divided by s minus b into s minus a into s minus c. So delta into 3s minus 2s is s divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. But they are asking to prove s square by delta, no? So s square, to get s square here, multiplying and dividing by s. So which is equal to delta into s is s square divided by, we know that delta equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, na? Squaring on both sides, if we do, delta square equal to s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So in place of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, you have to write it is delta square since this formula. So one of the delta will be cancelled, which is equal to s square by delta, which is required on HS. Hence proved. The next question. Prove that tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2 equal to ab plus bc plus ca minus s square divided by delta. First, we have to know the formula for tan a by 2, tan b by 2, tan c by 2. Tan a by 2, we have two formulas. One is s minus b into s minus c by delta, and another one is delta by s into s minus c. According to our convenience, we can take. So now I am taking the convenient as delta by s into s minus c. So now consider LHS. Tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2. So which is equal to tan a by 2 delta by s into s minus a plus tan b by 2 delta by s into s minus b plus tan c by 2 delta by s into s minus c. Now in every term delta by s you have to take common. So which is equal to delta by s. The rest of the terms 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s minus b plus 1 by s minus c. You should take LCM here and write it as delta by s. If s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is the LCM, s minus a will be cancelled, the rest of the two terms will come. So s minus b into s minus c. Come to the second term, s minus b get cancelled, plus s minus a into s minus c plus s minus c get cancelled, s minus a into s minus b, which is equal to delta by s. X minus alpha and x minus beta means x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta we are writing now. Similarly, s square minus s into b plus c plus bc, actual multiplication of these two, plus this also can be written as s square minus s into a plus c plus ac plus multiplying these two, s square minus s into a plus b plus ab whole divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. After this step, in the numerator, s square plus s square plus s square, total 3 s squares are there. So delta by s into s square plus s square plus s square, 3s square, and minus s into b plus c minus s into a plus c minus s into a plus b. So from here minus s if we take common, b plus c plus a plus c plus a plus b. The rest of the terms ab plus bc plus ca whole divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. A plus b plus c as well as a plus b plus c 2 times. So a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is 2s now. So we can write it as delta by s into 3s square minus s into 2s plus 2s plus ab plus bc plus ca divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So delta by s 3s square minus s into 2s plus 2s is 4s plus ab plus bc plus ca divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So which is equal to delta by s 3s square minus 4s square plus ab plus bc plus ca divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, which is also equal to delta by s ab plus bc plus ca minus s square, 3s square minus 4s square is minus s square, by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c we know that s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is delta square now. Delta by the denominator completely will become as delta square into ab plus bc plus ca minus s square. So one of the delta will be cancelled. You will get ab plus bc plus ca minus s square by delta, which is required RHS. Thank you, dear students. Thank you, dear students, for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. We will meet in the next video with the remaining questions. Thank you all.